Welcome to Jorge Kurczyn Furniture. Today, we take you behind the scenes of our workshop to reveal the secret and the engineering behind designer furniture built to transcend generations. The journey of an extraordinary piece of furniture always begins with the selection of the material. In our workshop, the rules are strict. MDF, melamine, and hollow materials do not exist here. We work exclusively with kiln-dried, solid timber. Why is this the first secret to lasting for generations? Because scientifically controlling the precise moisture level of the wood guarantees that, as the years and decades pass, the furniture will never warp, crack, or give in to climate changes. It is the perfect union between science and nature, but solid timber is only half the story. The true soul of each piece comes from them, our master artisans. Men with decades of inherited expertise who don't just cut wood, they understand it and respect it. Backed by more than 28 years of redefining high-end furniture, every joint, every assembly, and every finish in this workshop is executed by hand. It is a structural precision that no mass production machine could ever replicate. When a piece of furniture is crafted under a 100% customized design concept, it ceases to be a simple, utilitarian object. It becomes a signature piece that tells a story and adapts millimetrically to the lifestyle of each client. That is why we work hand in hand with architects and interior designers, translating their visions into tangible, inheritable realities. A commercial piece of furniture lasts a couple of years before turning into debris. A piece bearing the Jorge Kurczyn Furniture seal is designed to be part of your family's history. If you value authentic design and the true art of the handmade, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and join us on this journey through the workshop. Let us know in the comments, what space in your home deserves a piece of furniture for a lifetime? See you in the next Behind the Scenes.